So let's play this game. Let me call it a what am I game. What am I? So I will say it like this. I am a number. When you add 3 to me, you will get 10. What am I?
7.
Good job! Good job! No, now it's your turn.
I am a number. When you take 5 away and steal 1 more, you will get 3.
When I take 5 away
And steal
and I take 1 again,
you will get 3. So like when you take 6 away.
that's 9. That's 9.
Yes.
I am
like 6 you take away and you have 3.
I am a number. When you multiply me by 6, you will get 30. What am I?
Multiply
me by 6, you will get 30. What am I?
This going to be 13. And this is not going to be
That means it's going to be division. When you multiply me by 6, that is 6 times a number will give 30. Which number are you going to multiply by?
5?
Yes. That's what it means. That means
I wasn't even thinking.
I know you weren't. So what's your own?
I'm a number. I think this is going to be a little hard. Yeah. I'm a number. When you take any number from me, you will still have the same number.
When you take any number
yes.
from me,
yes.
you will still have the same. You will still have me.
Yes.
All the numbers now. No, wait. Oh, I am a number. When you take any number away from me,
yes.
you still have me.
Yes.
I don't know.
Infinity.
I never expected it.
I win. Infinity is like uncountable. When you take it, it's still infinity. I'm taking so many numbers, it's still infinity. No matter which number you take, even if you take infinity, you still be infinity.
Wisdom. Wisdom.
Mommy, can I do the last one?
It's my turn. Okay. I am a number. When you subtract me from any number, you will still get that number.
0.
Oh.
And I want to say a number with 0.
Oh yeah, it's your turn.
I wanted to say a number with 0. Now I have to think about another. I am a number. When you take 100 from me, you will have 0.
When you take 100 from me,
you will have 0.
This boy is beating you. When you take 100
What
from
am
me,
I thinking?
that's 100 now.
Yes. You're not thinking. I still don't. It's when you say I don't know that I win.
But I said it.
Yes. So it's.
Okay, I am a number. When you multiply me by 1, you will still get me. No, that's not the question. I am a number. When you multiply anything by me, you will still get that thing.
Multiply? You said thing? It's not a number?
I am a number. When you multiply any number by me, you will still get that number. When you multiply any number at all by me, you will still get that number.
7?
No.
Is it the bigger?
No.
Smaller?
Yes.
0?
1. When you multiply any number by 1, you still get that number.
You still like 1 times 7?
7. 10 times 1.
Like you don't have to cover the 1 and you see the answer.
Correct.
So times 7.
Yeah. So it's your turn, and this is the last one. Except you want us to go again. I started, so it's your turn. So it can be even.
I am a number. When you take 10 away from me, you will get 65.
That's 75. That was so much fun, right?
Yes.
Do you want us to go again? Okay. It was nice playing this game with you. Goodness, I can't wait for you to start playing these games with us. I can't wait.